Hello, my name is Ashley and today I'll be demonstrating EFT or Emotional Freedom Technique. This touch technique uses energy psychotherapy. It focuses on the concept that the body is made up of both positive and negative flowing energy. Similarly to acupuncture, EFT alters energy flows through access to the 12 meridian points. When the body becomes stressed, hormones are released into the brain and other responsive segments are stimulated. Over time, if stress is not effectively alleviated, a person may experience both physical and psychological symptoms that can become chronic. EFT works by stimulating the 12 meridian points. By applying pressure to these specific points, you're able to alter the nervous system response. The calming sensation that is brought on by tapping relaxes the sympathetic nervous system. As the body calms, the production of adrenaline starts to slow. The body is able to regulate its heartbeat, and it's able to calm and restore the body through the parasympathetic nervous system. Some of the benefits of this technique can help people alleviate stress, depression, anxiety, and can help them to overcome fears and phobias. Additionally, regular tapping sessions can help to improve your overall attitude, productivity, and increase concentration. The techniques can take time and practice, and for the best outcome, most people will complete at least 10 sessions, as well as incorporating this into their daily lives. EFT can be completed by a trained clinician or self-performed and can be modified and shortened to fit into daily routines. We're going to begin by preparing our affirmation. First, find a safe, quiet, comfortable space so your body can become receptive to tapping. Next, prepare a positive affirmation. The affirmation does not have to be something you truly believe, but should acknowledge any fears or concerns. For this demonstration, I will be using the following affirmation. Although my body is scared, I am safe. We're going to locate our first point. The first point is karate chop. With your index finger and your middle finger, tap the karate point and state your positive affirmation 3 times. Even though my body feels afraid, I know that I am safe. Even though my body feels afraid, I know that I am safe. Good job. As you're saying those affirmations, I want you to focus on your even and calm breathing. Deep belly breaths. Next, we're going to move into the 12 sequence points. While taking deep breaths, I want you to locate the top point of your head. It's right at the center. We're going to continue taking our deep belly breaths. Using your dominant hand, I want you to take your index and your middle finger and tap 7 times. Deep breaths as you do so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. We're going to move on to the next tapping point. The next tapping point is located right at the center of your eyebrows, right above your eyes. Continue focusing on your deep breaths. Using both hands, your first fingers, your index fingers, and middle fingers, I want you to tap this point gently while breathing 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You may notice I close my eyes. This helps me to relax. It's not necessary. You can do whatever is comfortable for you. Moving on to our third point. This is going to be at the side of your eyes. You can utilize either just your index fingers or your index and middle fingers with a gentle, soft touch. Continue focusing on those deep breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Notice how I'm continuing to focus on my breath. Moving on to our next point. Under your eyes. You'll feel sort of the hollow of underneath where your eye circles are, and you feel a bone right at the center point. Again, you can use your index and middle finger and do a gentle, soft touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This process can take some time, so make sure you have adequate time and space to be doing this exercise. Point number 5 is located under our nose. If you feel right above your lip, there's a slight indentation right at the center. You can choose to use either your index and middle or just your middle finger. Again, use your dominant hand to do this. And we're going to go ahead and do this for 7 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Our next point, point number 6, is located on our chin. As you touch into your chin, you'll sort of feel a small indent at the very center. That's going to be the spot you're going to want to point. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can continue to think about your affirmation as you're going through this. Moving on to point 7, our collarbone. At the middle of your body, where your 2 collarbones touch, you'll feel sort of an indentation. I want you to move down about an inch and put both hands there and move out about an inch. This is going to be the point you're going to want to tap. We're going to go ahead and tap 7 times on this area, again, using these same 2 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Our 8th point is under our arms. I'm going to start by raising my arm and finding the center of my armpit. I'm going to move down 4 to 5 inches where I can feel my rib cage. That's going to be where I'm going to want to tap. So again, locating under your armpit, moving down, and you're going to do this on both sides. You can do one at a time or both of them together, whatever's more comfortable. I'm going to just do one for this exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And again, you'd want to do it on the other side for 7. Point 8, 9, and 10 focus on our hand. For this exercise, you're only going to want to do motions on your non-dominant hand. So you're going to take your dominant hand and locate your index finger. You're going to use this to do all the tapping on your non-dominant hand. The first one will be our thumb. You're going to want to use the outer base corner of your fingernail bed. So here's my thumb. I'm going to use the outer base, and I'm going to go ahead and tap for 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great. Next, we'll use our index finger. Again, at the base of your fingernail bed towards the outermost corner. Tap for 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, make sure you're focusing on that deep belly breathing. We're going to move on to our middle finger. Same finger for doing the tapping, again on your non-dominant hand, outer corner of your base of your fingernail bed, the corner closest to your index finger. Go ahead and tap that for 7 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to go ahead and skip our ring finger. We move on to just our smallest finger, our pinky finger. The little finger, you're going to locate the same area, base of the fingernail towards the ring finger, and tap for 7. Deep breaths as you're doing this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to move on past our hands to our next point now. Our 12th point was completed with our pinky finger. we're going to go back to our original first point position, which was our karate chop. So you're going to take your index and middle finger and count for 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This completes our exercise for EFT. Again, this is something you're going to want to do regularly and get better at and practice at. Similarly to meditating, you need to be able to get into the right space. Always focus on your breath and your affirmation. Thank you for joining me for this demonstration.